Okay.
Okay.
Can you speak, please?
And you've got the unibody design on the HTC Flyer. 5 megapixel camera on the back. HDMI port on the bottom. Clear side on that one, and the volume keys on that. And you've got your 1.3 megapixel front-facing camera on the side, as it were, in that mode. So you've got HTC Sense tablet, so it's a different version of HTC Sense from normal smartphones. And you can see that as you rotate across, you get the 3D images.
Pretty light.
3D light images, yeah.
Don't create confusion.
What they used to call 3D then. Some changes to some of the widgets specifically for the tablet. So when you're on stuff like music, you can see that you can view your recently played album. So rather than having to go into the music application and find that album you're listening to all the time, it will just appear at the bottom of the widget. So, you know, we thought about every part of how the tablet will be used. Flick through your photos in the widget, or you can go into the photos just by tapping. You can then zoom in or rotate between them. As you can see, the pen image has gone green, so that means you can use the HTC Scribe. Tap on that to bring up your options, and then I can draw on a picture, write something, a note, and then you can save that, or you can just discard it. E-reader, so click on a book. No, not with a pen. When you're in a book, again you can use a pen. You see the symbol's gone green, so you scribe. Click on the highlighter, highlight the words, choose your colour, choose your pen type. Choose the size. And then that will associate itself with that book. So, as you see, that will be still there as we go through the book.
But you can cancel them, I suppose.
Yeah. You've ruined the book.
How you feel the tablet in your hands?
As in, is it heavy or?
Yes.
No, I mean, I think one of the key messages with the HTC Flyer is HTC is a mobility company. And this is designed to be a mobile tablet, hence the 7-inch screen. It's got a solid feel because of the unibody construction, but it's great to be, great for portability. You've got the case, which is around the corner, which will hold the Scribe technology device. So, yeah, no, feel is really good. You've got the notes, which is going to be a key part. So, slight change to the way your icons are displayed. You can have a favourite section. Click on Notes. So this links with Evernote, so it's one of our partners in the device. You can then use the buttons on the device. So you have the bottom button there will erase, and the top button will highlight. Clean up my mess. You can also voice record during notes, so that if you were watching a presentation or you wanted to make some voice notes rather than just drawing notes, you can. And then if you do draw in that recording, it will time mark that drawing, so that when you go back to refer to your notes, you know what you were speaking, or what that person was speaking about, and what you were drawing. So once you've finished recording, you'll see the little green mark, which is the time mark. So when we get to that point, actual image of what was drawn, noted down at that point, will flash up on the screen to show you that's what you were doing at that specific point.
That's clever.
And so hopefully you should see that now. There we go. And all of that will sync to the cloud through Evernote, so that you can use it on another Android device, you can use it on another PC, your home device, work on something, become mobile, and then use your Flyer to instantly sync that note over the cloud. Recently HTC acquired Saffron, so we've also got a link with that. So with the movies, when you rotate to landscape, you see all the icons also rotate with you, so they disappear from portrait and appear in landscape. So we've got progressive downloading with the watch application, so that will download and then as soon as you started downloading it, you're able to watch, and it will download in the background whilst you are watching.
Can you show the keyboard?
Yes.
And to landscape, please.
Just in that way at the moment, so we're just
For
working
now,
on
just
that.
like this.
It will be working, just on the early models.